I became an artist because I wanted to not accept how the world is, because if you think logically, a lot of things don't make sense, and you just want to create things that you think make sense and that you think should be there. I think what's limiting our freedom is all the cultural rules that we have set up for ourselves. And usually we try to create something that you can see in living things.
Nature is also human nature. We are a part of nature. We are interacting with everything. And what we always try with our work is to get as close to a natural movement as possible.
I think in all our work, it's the tension between nature and us as human beings, and us in the environment that we build.
I think it's very important also for artists to engage in that conversation, whereby you can, show technicians also why they are developing certain things and for whom, and what is the goal of it all. And if you engage them more in that conversation, then hopefully, they will develop technologies that are more beneficial for our society in the future.
First, it's a discussion, and slowly we build up into a point that we both immediately say yes, 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 and then we get this enthusiasm. And if you still have the next day, the next week, and the next month, and even sometimes the next year, because you cannot always immediately start with the ideas you have in mind, then we know it's good, because we are so different that if we both like the same thing, then it's good.